my partner, Sir Romel, and completing the sideline, our teammate in action will have Ma'am Aki or our sideline reporter for this morning.
Okay, good morning partner. At ako rin po ang makakasama ninyo from Saro and Sports Incorporated. Kami po yung assigned sa officiating and this time I will be your commentator para po sa larong ito. That will be competed by, first we have Sorsogon City versus Kasiguran, under 18 girls division, followed by Magallanes versus Castilla of LGU men and Sorsogon City versus Donsol, under 18 boys division. Coming this tournament or going into the finals, Magallanes and Castilla of LGU men's division carry an identical record of 5 wins and 1 loss. Sorsogon City and Donsol of boys under 18 division carry also an identical record of 5 wins and 1 loss. While Sorsogon or Kasiguran of girls under 18 division has 6 wins and no losses, sweeping their assignments in the elimination round as against 5 wins and 1 loss record of Sorsogon City entering these finals. Partner.
At balita nga pala, it's Donsol who won the LGU women, so they already are the champions after defeating Sorsogon City in the finals kahapon sa Sorsogon National High School. And also, Sorsogon City scored big wins in the semifinals. First for the LGU women's team for Castilla. We have the second runner-up of the LGU women's team. And the under-18 girls team, we have, they won against Magallanes. And for the under-18 boys team, who will be battling it out in our third game against the Bayan ng Donsol, well, they'll be facing the under-18 boys. And as we get set for action here in the Sorsogon Provincial Gymnasium, let's have a short background about this Deeds 2025. So, Deeds was born in the year 2022, launched by the Honorable, the Congresswoman, Det Escudero, which aims to bring individuals for the youth and for the young at heart. Now, kung tinatawag natin from LGU men and for LGU women na may passion pa din sa paglalaro ng volleyball. And for also those individuals who have passion to play the game they love, volleyball.
All right. One objective of this ball game, of this Deeds Intermunicipality Volleyball Tournament is of course the development of skills of Sorsoganans to compete in higher meets. Well, coming into this game, ang ating pong defending champion sa LGU men is Magallanes. Sa girls, under 18 division, we have the Donsol as the defending champion. And for the boys under 18, we have Kasiguran partner. So yan po ang ating backgrounder as we proceed to the first match of this finals of the Deeds Intermunicipality Volleyball Tournament. Balik sa'yo, partner.
Ito, siguro, let's throw it into the for our first 6 for Sorsogon City and Kasiguran as they are now being called by the announcer.
So, ang larong ito po ay hatid din po sa atin ng different mayors of the 6 municipalities involved in this tournament. Sa ating pong listahan, ng mayor ng Donsol ay, sir, we have
Mayor Chuck Lubiano, and from Pilar, we have Mayor Dennis Reyes.
And from Castilla, we have Mayor Isagani Bong Mendoza.
In Sorsogon City, we have Mayor Maria Esther Hamon.
Magallanes, we have the Honorable Mayor Maria Elena Romana Ragrario. And lastly,
and for Kasiguran, we have Mayor Ems Hamor.
All right, as we about to start the ball game, dito na tayo mag-focus, partner. Tinatawag na yung first 6 ng every roster, yung roster pala, hindi pa yung first 6 ng ating mga dalawang opposing team dito. Nag-start po tayo sa court, letter A, court A, Sorsogon City. And to be followed by court B, na sakop ngayon ng Kasiguran girls. All right, partner.
Palatandaan natin dito. The girls in the pink shirts are the Sorsogon City, and the girls in the blue or the black and white are the team Kasiguran of the under 18 girls. So another background here that Deeds is now on season 4 It's growing and bringing communities together through sports. And matches are hosted inside the Sorsogon Provincial Gymnasium, showcasing talents, teamworks, and local pride. Now, through deeds, hundreds of athletes or thousands of athletes are given the chance and opportunity to train in different institutions and in different participating schools and sports organizations. So, maganda din yung layunin ng programa ni Congresswoman Det Escudero.
So yung uniform and jersey nila is sponsored by Cherry Mobile, and of course meron pa pong mga ibang sponsors tayo rito, ang Happy Feet Travels. Alright? So aside from that, shout out po natin, partner, yung ating mga viewers via the Facebook page of our dear Congresswoman Det Escudero. If you cannot come and report to the Provincial Gymnasium of Sorsogon, you can watch us live via the FB page of Congresswoman Det Escudero.
Well, syempre, hindi mapupuno yung Sorsogon Provincial Gymnasium. We have 3 special guests from the Petrogas Angels, the defending champions of the Premier Volleyball League. We have Myla Pablo, Jonas Abete, and Aiza Mazo Puntillas, who will be gracing the event for the awarding ceremonies. So, siguro yun din yung inaabangan dito ng ating mga manonood here in the dito sa probinsya ng Sorsogon.
But sad to say, they will not be playing dahil kasalukuyan po ay naglalaro sila sa Premier Volleyball League and they are not allowed to play outside of that league. So mamaya po siguro after these 3 matches we will proceed already to the awarding of the best dito po sa ginaganap na Deeds Intermunicipality Volleyball Tournament. Meron tayo partner na best setter, best spiker, best blocker, and best digger. Hindi gold digger but ball digger. One of or these 4 awards will be given to the best players and also the most valuable player, who will bag the most valuable player award. We will see right after this tournament, okay?
Well,
Na-announce na po ang starting 6. Alright? So, ang una na mag-serve, I think it's Sorsogon City. Pakinggan po natin ang ating
Coliseum announcer
Coliseum
for the
announcer,
starting
yes.
6.
Sa ating po palang courtside, meron din po tayong tao. Meron tayong kasama, si Ma'am Akis. We would like also to recognize from time to time, meron po siyang part dito sa ating live coverage. Okay?
Bagong-bago, we have a fresh from the panel, from the sidelines, Ma'am Akis, who will be interviewing random guests, random audiences, and will surely bring more into this game.
So shout out po tayo sa lahat po ng viewers. Maligayang panunood po sa aming live coverage ng nangyayaring championship game ng Season 4 ng Deeds Intermunicipality Volleyball Tournament.
Gagawin namin po ni Sir Romel lahat para mabati ang ating viewers dito sa ating official FB page. Mapapanood yan sa FB page ni Congresswoman Det Escudero, and also you can watch us live here in the Sorsogon Provincial Gymnasium. Support your favorite teams from different municipalities here in the province of Sorsogon. And first to serve will be the Sorsogon City.
All right, opening of the game, Sorsogon City will have their part, So service area is number 8 of Sorsogon City. Good service, sir. Good reception on the other hand.
They go for
Number
the attack.
10 spiking and scoring. That is Gesta of Sorsogon City. First point, the virginizing our score sheet. That is Gesta of Sorsogon City.
Sorsogon City drawing first blood against Team Kasiguran. A strong sign or strong showing for or against the Team Kasiguran. They good receive. They go up top. The spike. A chance to recover for Team Sorsogon. They go for a free ball opportunity. Libero goes up top. The tap,
Oh.
but it doesn't get over the net. So Sorsogon City going for a 2-0 run.
Failure for Kasiguran on that play.
Same server for Team Sorsogon, jersey number 8.
Good start for Sorsogon City, partner. And unluckily, we have a short or slow start para po sa Kasiguran. Ito na yung atake ng dalawang panel. Jesta again. Oh! Another point for Jesta. Second attack and second kill for Jesta.
Team Sorsogon have been targeting the back row from the early stages of the first set, and apparently they're on a 3-0 run. A good start for Team Sorsogon, for the girls in pink versus the girls in black and white.
Right? 8 again. Para po sa kanyang service.
A chance ball.
Chance ball para sa Sorsogon. Steal. Balls on play. Oh! Check ball to number 15, the libero, Lastrilla of Sorsogon City.
Tinapos ng Team Kasiguran ang 3-0 run.
Violation. Okay.
Check
After experiencing a 0 drought, ngayon may 1 point na yung Kasiguran girls. Number 8 also of Kasiguran in the service area. Attacking is number 4, Sorsogon City, controlled by Kasiguran. Well, we call that campfire. No? Nobody gets the ball.
They
We
just
call that
watch.
campfire. Opo.
I think they just watch the ball as
Just watch the ball
as it falls down into the.
falling down to the floor. Okay. Campfire. Sorsogon City for the retaliation, but to no avail. Jesta failed with that play. Point is now 3-all. That is an equalizer set by Jesta, the spiker for Sorsogon City, partner.
Kasiguran after the block saying, not today. And we will not get that ball to get penetrated in our territory. Diesta
Jesta!
puts it over.
This time it's good for Jesta. For serving 3. Number 2 of Sorsogon City will do the honors of serving the ball.
Sorsogon City up by 1 against Team Kasiguran.
Number 2, oh, the service is error for Sorsogon City. Kasiguran tying the score at 4-all. Second deadlock of the ball game. Number 11 of Kasiguran will serve as a service deck po. Get ready, Sorsogon City. Service is excellent. Good receive on the other end, and spike. Controlled by Kasiguran for a... No, there is a violation committed by Kasiguran. Net touch,
Net touch
says the
violation.
referee. So our first referee is Sir Domitita of Sorsogon City. Second referee natin ay si Mr. Rosales of Bacon. Okay, partner. Number 4 ang nag-serve.
He received by Kasiguran.
7.
Another
Dumping that
miscommunication.
ball. So that action of the setter is a dump. Alright.
Inangat lang ng Team Kasiguran pero wala man lang kumuha from Team Sorsogon. So another campfire. Pangalawang campfire.
Another number. This time, it's an ace for number... Anong number yun? Number 2 of Kasiguran. Change favor this time. 6 na yung Kasiguran, 5 yung Sorsogon City. Service again of number 2. Setting to number 10. Another violation committed by number 10 of Sorsogon City. That is Jesta. 5 mo, 5 ko, Jesta.
Again for Team Kasiguran.
From time to time, we will apply humor. 7 to 5. Number 2 again, sir.
Up again.
Number
Tips it over
3.
the net.
Number 2 and Jesta. Oh, error committed by Kasiguran. So there is a dink. The action that happened a while ago is a dink when during two touches, the ball goes into the opposing side. That is a dink. Okay.
Diesta will be serving for Sorsogon City.
So in our table, we have the scorer, Ma'am Rosemary Silvano, and assistant scorer is, of course, another from Saro Sports Incorporated. Nandun po sa table ang ating chairman of the Deeds, si Sir Ruel Frago. By the way, meron din pong assistant director itong Deeds program, which is, or happen to be the assistant director is Ma'am Fulay. And our director, executive director, is the congresswoman herself. Okay? Game
Up by
resumption.
Kasiguran.
Kasiguran.
A spike!
For their attack. Good spike down the line.
I think it's the score for Sorsogon City as the ball goes out the line. Sir Romel.
Yes.
So we are once again deadlocked. Mainit agad ang simula, mainit na tagpo.
Outside pala yun, sir.
Sa pagsisimula ng ating di ko din kasi Sir Romel kita dito kasi medyo maliwanag sa part na yun eh. So siguro tingnan na lang natin tayo kung ano yung senyas ng ating first referee for this matchup.
2 consecutive errors committed by Kasiguran. So Sorsogon City is on lead now, 8-7. Service. Kasiguran, another error. Reception error. An ace for number 10 of Sorsogon City. 9-7 is our score.
A good serve by Diesta, back-to-back good service and one service ace. And no one gets it. And Diesta scoring another yet service ace. So back-to-back service ace, forcing Team Kasiguran to call the very first timeout of this matchup to regroup and to once again scramble it up for different plays against Team Sorsogon because 10-7 is on our scoreboard and 3-point lead by Sorsogon City.
Okay, so this timeout is brought to us by the Honorable Congresswoman Deti Escudero and of course the 6 municipal mayors, and also we would like to mention our governor, Honorable Governor Edwin Boboy Amor, the Vice Governor June Escudero, and of course the host city, Mayor Esther Amor, Vice Mayor Eric Juneda, and city councils of Sorsogon City. Sir?
Yes, once again on the service line. A good
service
serve.
para kay Diesta. Attack by Kasiguran. Nako-coveran tayo ng cameraman.
And ayun,
Ball
sobra
is
doon
out
yung
of
palo.
bounds. Opo. In favor of Kasiguran. 8-10. Cutting the lead to only 2 points. Sir, service area is number 7.
Number 7 of Kasiguran at the
The
service
court
line.
captain or the court general. Number 8, Elisaga. Another campfire. This time committed by Kasiguran. Walang kumuha ng bola. We call that campfire. Hey.
They love to watch how that campfire burns and how it falls down into the floor.
Strike by number 9. Ball is still alive. Recovery. No.
Goes to the blocker and for a chance to recover for Team Sorsogon, but they doesn't get that recovery that much. So Team Kasiguran scoring this one.
Good effort anyway of the players of Sorsogon City sa pagkuha ng bola, but to no avail. The score goes to Kasiguran. Up.
And
Another
service
ace.
ace.
Opo, off the line. Good service. Service ace. Bringing that or that play brings the score at 10-11. Balls in play. There is a whistle. Ball or point goes to Sorsogon City. Again, our score is 12 serving 10.
16 of Sorsogon at the service line.
Good serve. Rainbow service. Number 11. Easy ball para sa Sorsogon City. Setting and spiking. Number 8.
Goes
That is
penetrating through the blockers of Kasiguran.
good. Good play. We have a rally, ladies and gentlemen. Number 8 attacks but blocked mid-air by 2 defenders of Kasiguran. Ball is still alive. The
Medyo-
longest rally so far para
Medyo
sa
okay
game
yung
na ito.
blockers dito
Number
ng Team
8,
Kasiguran.
another Kasiguran on the other end controls that play. Attacking is number
Oh, no.
8, Elizaga for a kill.
Medyo kinapos doon yung libero natin to save that play and to receive. And another yet score from Team Sorsogon City. It's
All right,
30 to 10.
this is just the first game in our championship matches. Dalawa pa yung inaabangan natin. And yung ating pananabik dito sa game na ito, hindi lang po ito ang ating aasahan mamaya. Alright? Point awarded to Kasiguran.
Eliziaga tries to save it for Team Sorsogon, but apparently it goes straight into their team. They go again up top. The tip by Sorsogon City. From the back row,
Back row
Kasiguran.
attack. Opo.
Elizaga.
Elizaga. Good dig pass by number 8 or number 9 of Kasiguran. Another attack and the score for Sorsogon City.
Goes off through the blockers of Team Kasiguran, and Sorsogon still has the 3-point lead.
Sorsogon City has the upper hand, enjoying 3-point lead going to the first stage of our contest. Elizaga is serving. Good attack by Kasiguran and scoring on that sequence of play.
Team Kasiguran scored a net touch violation courtesy of Team Sorsogon City.
Net violation committed by Sorsogon. Number 8 for Kasiguran. Good service. Reception on the other end. Number 10 Jesta for the attack. Ball goes out of bounds. Score for Kasiguran. Cutting the lead to only 1 point.
Medyo out of range dito sa late stages ng first set. Si Diestas lumalabas, nag-out of bounds yung kanyang mga attack. Pero a chance to recover for Team Sorsogon. Diesta.
Again, Jesta. This time,
Oh, Regalo!
Oh, good dig by number 9 again. The gold digger, number 9. There is a whistle in favor of Sorsogon City. Net violation, net touch. Running score partner, 15 yung Sorsogon City, 13 yung Kasiguran. Mind you, our viewers, the defending champion in this match is Dunsol. But this time, they were outsmarted by these two teams. They were outplayed by these two teams in the semifinal matches.
And also for our second game, we have the defending champions Magallanes versus Castilla. For LGU men, for our third game, back-to-back for Sorsogon City. Sorsogon City versus Donsol for our under-18 boys.
All right. While in under 18 boys, we have the Kasiguran as the defending champion. Mamaya po, makikita nyo po sila maglalaro. All right, back to the action. 4 touches committed by Team Kasiguran. Says referee Dometita. Number 4 po tayo para sa Sorsogon City for the service. Running score is 16 to 14. Good service. Number 7 setting to number 2 for a kill. But then the ball is recovered and is scored on the other end by Sorsogon City. Good break para sa Sorsogon City.
And
17-14
number
is
5
the score.
attempting for a pancake save, but was too late. The ball already landed into their area. Another serve for Sorsogon City. Up top, a chance to counter. Sorsogon City, Diesta. Up top for Casiguran. Tips it over. Habal for a chance ball opportunity for Sorsogon City. Diesta attacks. Wala pa rin.
Okay, Kasiguran. Continue po ang ating rally. So this is the second longest rally so far. Ball is inside. Cross-court attack by number, anong number yun? Number 9? Number 8 of Kasiguran, scoring in that particular play.
Finds a way to get in touch into the corner, so they scored against Sorsogon City. Once again on the service line, number 2 of Team Casiguran.
All right, going into the finals, wala pong talo itong Sorsogon City, while isa po ang talo ng Kasiguran sa elimination and semifinal rounds.
Ball goes out. It goes off to the hands of the blockers.
Oh no, ang Kasiguran palang walang talo, sir. Sorry. Sweeping their elims and semifinal matches.
They save.
Okay.
A free ball opportunity for Sorsogon City.
Good set and good attack, but ball is out of bounds. Error for the attacker. Point for Kasiguran. 16, serving 18.
Habal will be serving for Team Casiguran, number 7.